myself, how did I lose her heart? Your love was in my reach, but now far gone. I never thought that I would fall this hard. I was afraid to tell you all the feelings in my heart, thinking that if I told you, I would fall apart. I hesitated, and now our love is breaking, 'cause you moved on, and I'm still waiting. Baby, I won't ever love you like I do, 'cause you should be my lady. Waited for so long to say to you, come back. You were so perfect in my dreams, don't you know that? I will always love you forever. But baby, when the church bells ring, you know I wanted us to be there together. Now you're in your wedding dress, girl, now you're in your wedding dress. How could it be the wedding dress? Girl, now you're in your wedding dress. Oh no. Now it all comes down to this. Our love is such a bliss. You blessed me with the best, and now you want it in your heart. I wanted you to know my heart bled for you. But would he ever do the same for you? We played this game all up, but now is it that I came out good? Wishing